Let's hear out from Rajesh Palviya on where he sees the markets headed from here on. Hi, Rajesh. Welcome on your trades. And yes, the markets today definitely played a spoil sport. But you have to give it the fact that you saw also weakness across the globe as well. But where do you see Nifty headed from here on? It did break below the 18,000 level. It went below the 17,900 levels. Do you think we should brace ourselves for some more volatile moves on the benchmark?
Good afternoon. Broadly, if you look at the market is now trading in range of 17,800 to 18,250. This is the range which we are looking at for the Nifty for some more couple of trading session. Though today it was expiry weekly option expiry day, so there was some pressure on the both the indices from the higher side. If we analyze today's move, Nifty has almost taken the support from its 100-day moving average, and Bank Nifty has taken the support from its 50-day moving average. So today's lows are very important from here onward. If we breaks those lows, then possibly this down move can extend or some more profit booking we can see in both the indices. And if we breaks today's low, then possibly Nifty can head further lower towards 17,800, which is the next major support area for near-term setup. Though we have seen some recovery in the last hour of trade, so we expect some recovery can continue because a lot of put writing activity was there at around 17,800, 17,900 strike in especially in last 1 hour trade. So which indicates that some support buying action we can see in the market, and possibly Nifty can inch up higher towards 18,050 to 18,100 zone, which is the next hurdle. So it's going to be a range bound session going forward for next couple of trading session. Either side breakout above 18,150 will give the clear direction, or below 17,800 will decide the direction further. And for Bank Nifty, 72,400 is the important level. 42,400 is the important level. If we break those levels, then possibly this correction can extend up to 42,000 level also. On the crossover above 43,200 can create some short covering action in market, and possibly in the Bank Nifty can move higher. So this could be the possible scenario, and we are expecting some range bound move in a both direction we can witness in both the indices.
Pound move is expected, and today's low at least is a crucial level to watch out for. But Rajesh, today the stock specific action was quite interesting to see because the breadth of the market did improve slightly, and not just that, a lot of counters from the Nifty 50 pack managed to gain above 1.5%. So any of the counters that are on your radar and you have as stock picks for our viewers?
So some of the stock ideas which are clearly in uptrend, we are focusing on those stock idea. One is from the tire space, that is Apollo Tire. It's continuing its uptrend, and in today's session also we have seen a strong buying action. Stock managed to give breakout of its last 4 week consolidation range, and even in the other tire space also we have seen some buying action is happening. So from that space, we believe that Apollo Tire can continue furthermore upside momentum from the current level. We are expecting target of 350. One can keep a stop loss of 332. Another stock is from pharma space, that is Cipla. Cipla has shown strength in today's session, and looking at the overall setup, we believe that some upward momentum towards 1120 40 can be seen in the near term basis. So Cipla one can buy with stop loss of 1065. Another stock is from fertilizer space, and that is Chambal Fertilizer. Stock is continuously showing good buying interest. Almost it's a 7-8 days where we are seeing there is buying interest in the stock. Almost stock is now trading above its 50-day moving average. So looking at the recovery in the Chambal Fertilizer, especially in last 2 weeks, we believe that this momentum is likely to continue further higher. We are expecting target of 335, 340. One can keep stop loss of 311 for Chambal Fertilizer.
Right, so those are the picks coming in from Rajesh for all of our viewers, Apollo Tires, Cipla, as well as Chambal Fertilizers. On that note, thank you so much, Rajesh, for joining us on the show and sharing your view on the market, as well as sharing your pick with our viewers. But time for a break on this edition of Your Trades. But before we head into a break, here's the chart of the day. The FI outflows in the calendar year 2022 was something that was much talked about. But what does the history say? In the last 20 years, no doubt, there are only 3 instances where calendar year FI equity flows were negative, and 2022 is the third one. But every time the FI flows have turned negative in the calendar year, The Nifty index has delivered double-digit returns in the subsequent years, led by healthy inflows. So all fingers crossed, hoping that this year will be a bright one for Nifty index.